Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about LilCooler, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide where I show you how to do my exact process. Links in the description. So LilCooler is marketed as a powerful mini air cooler that delivers instant relief from heat. But according to Trustpilot reviews, the reality doesn't match the hype. Users say it's nothing more than a cheap plastic fan, not an actual cooling device. Promises of ice-cold air and room-chilling power appear to be exaggerated or outright false. The scam detector gave it a trust score of 9.9 out of 100, a clear red flag indicating the site may be untrustworthy, risky, and potentially dangerous. Common complaints include misleading ads, poor customer service, and overpriced products that fail to deliver. For the final verdict, LilCooler looks like a classic case of summer gimmick marketing. It's not a real air conditioner and it doesn't perform anywhere near what the ad claims. For most people, it's a waste of money. You're better off sticking with trusted brands or local options you can test or return easily. Seen this device in ads or already bought one? Share your experience in the comments, and if you found this helpful, like and follow for more honest reviews on trending products. Stay cool and stay smart.